Alright, we're gonna be looking at an IP config. Now, what IP config is, basically, it's used to show your current TCP and IP information, which will be like your address, the DNS server address, the adapter type, and all of those, and all the other figures. So right now, if we wanted to find out IP config, we just put IP config here slash all. Hold on. Config slash all. We write that. We click enter. As you're noticing in here, let's see. It's showing us all the information, such as the window IP configuration and all of its information, like host name, the primary DNS suffix, node type, IP routing name, wing proxy name, the Ethernet adapter Ethernet. And you see mine, I don't have any Ethernet, I'm using wireless connection. Media state disconnected. Intel Ethernet connection, yes. Media state connected to specific DNS suffix, description, physical address, DHCP, enable authentication, name, yes. Ethernet adapter and PCAP loopback adapter. I have that. Yes, I have this. Connection suffix, DNS suffix, description, physical address, and so on. The wireless. LAN adapter local area connection. Wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. And here we could also find the our DNS, which is right here. Now for the IP address. Now let me see. I think I might skip it. IP address. Physical address. Right here's the address, which is 02/00/4C/4F/4F/50, I believe. Now what we want to do is, after we display IP config, we also want to display our, how should I say, all the other information. So we put IP config slash display DNS, since we want to see the DNS display. And as you can see here, from what I've seen, which is a long list, hold on, it's displaying all the DNS of the browser that we're using, and showing the time to live, each one different. Like for this sync 0.1 DPM IO 812. And we're seeing the time to live, the host, hold on. If I'm going too fast, let me go back to the top, you can see it. As you're seeing all this critical information. Hold on. Well, I forgot to show in the IP config was the physical address of my computer. And this is my physical address of the computer that I'm using, which is D8/3B/BF/46/999/0B. And that's what you're seeing here. These are all the servers of the networks. These everything that you see here these are all served on from different internet sites that I'm looking at. All right. So to skip all of this, let's say you wanna flush all of them. So what do we need to do? So if we want to clear the cache, we need to like everything. So we put IP config / flush DNS and we click enter, and we'll and it will actually flush all the we'll clear the cache. We'll clear all the entry reload all the entry from the host file. Basically, it just clear all the information that you're seeing here of the website service, and then we reload the cell to start a new one. So next video we're going to be looking at it will be the tracking the DNS with the Wireshark.